Welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. Hello friends, I am Satish Kumar Sinha. Today I am going to discuss the topic graphical representation of a stationary object and moving object. For a distance time graph, when a body moves in a straight line in one direction, the motion of the object is said to be one-dimensional or linear motion. It should be noted that for the motion of the object in one direction, the direction of motion does not change with time. Therefore, distance time graph and displacement time graph are the same. Similarly, velocity time graph and speed time graph are the same. So first we discuss distance time graph for a stationary object. We plot a graph between displacement and time. For this, time is taken along x-axis and displacement or distance is taken along y-axis. Here origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So if we plot a graph between displacement and time and we obtain a straight line AB which is parallel to the time axis, then the body is said to be at rest. Or body is stationary. So when we plot a graph between displacement and time or distance and time and we obtain a straight line parallel to the time axis or x-axis, it is said to be body is stationary. The second displacement time graph for a moving object. Again we plot a graph between displacement and time. Displacement in meter which is taken along y-axis, this is origin, and time in second, it is taken along x-axis. Yes, displacement is 10 meter, 20 meter, 30 meter, 40 meter, and time is 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second and 5 second. Now if you plot a graph between displacement and time, we obtain a straight line which is inclined with the x-axis or time axis. So if you plot a graph between displacement and time, we obtain a straight line which is passing through the origin. Then it is said to be bodies moving with uniform motion or uniform velocity. Now it is also clear from this graph that is a straight line OP that indicates that displacement of an object is directly proportional to the time taken. Now from this graph we can find out the velocity. All of you know that velocity is the ratio of displacement and time. So here the slope of this straight line OP that gives the velocity of the object. For this we have to take any 2 points on the straight line OP. Suppose it is A and it is B, and we make a triangle ABC. Now we draw the perpendicular from B to time axis, that is BD, and here AE on the x-axis, and we draw the perpendicular BF on the y-axis and AG on the y-axis. The slope of this straight line, that is, we have to find the velocity. So we know the velocity, that is the ratio of displacement and time in this triangle BC divided by AC. From this graph, that is, if you draw the perpendicular, it shows the final displacement, that is x2, and this is the initial x1. Time is final time t2, initial time t1. So you can also write x2 minus x1 divided by t2 minus t1. Otherwise it can be written as delta x by delta t. How to find the value of delta x? See, 30 minus 10. 30 minus 10, and time is, that is t2 minus t1, so 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. So here velocity v is equal to 30 minus 10, that is 20, divided by 3 minus 1, 2, which is equal to 10 meter per second. So from this graph we find the velocity of the graph, and it is said to be the body is moving with uniform velocity, that is 10 meter per second. Thank you.